Hello friends, today we are going to learn one important question from Hello Alkenes and Any chapter, class 12th. In this chapter, one question is asked, which is differently asked, not direct question, in which 10.21 of exercise, the important clue is given for different reactions. This type of question can be asked in 4 marks, and normally you have to solve all these points are given one by one and to give the different compounds or the reactions whatever asked as in the question. So in this question, this is the given primary alkyl halide and its molecular formula is given C4H9Br, and which is our compound A, friends. Then second, A is reacting with alcohol to give compound B, then B to C, and all this question is given, that is also in your textbook, friends. But how to solve this question? The most important term is that, because in this question the direct reactions are not asked, they have given to some specific things in the question. You have to find out which reactants are there. For example, in this question it is asked that to find out the all structures of form and formula of compound A and write all the equations. This is asked in this question. So let's start from very initial part. What to do? We have to use the given data only. So the first given data is primary alkyl halide. The molecular formula C4H9Br. Friends, primary alkyl halide, by considering this formula, they are two. This is one CH3, CH2, CH2, and Br. This is the first one, in which the simple 1-bromobutane is the first option, or its common name is n-butyl bromide. So this is the first option of A, possible option. Second option, if I put one carbon in branch instead of chain, then what happens, friends? Then this is the second option, in which this is also primary because bromine is connected with this carbon and this carbon is directly attached to only one carbon, that is following the definition of primary halide. So this is primary halide and its name is 1, 2, 3 carbon chain. So friends, it is propane. On second carbon it is methyl, and on first carbon it is bromo. So 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane, either you can write, or you can write its name isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl bromide is its common name, and 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane is its IUPAC name. So friends, this is the first task, to find out A. Our option A is out of these two, any one out of these two. Either it may be n-butyl bromide or it may be isobutyl bromide. Now to solve this, friends, we have to use the another data given to the in the question. Right, friends? Here you can see A is reacted with sodium metal. Now A is either this or this is reacted with sodium metal, and this is, friends, hello alkane. Hello alkane react with sodium metal is given in your textbook. It's a Woods reaction, right? So you have to follow the Woods reactions formula here. So if I follow for first one, it's 1 bromobutane, or it's normal butyl bromide. This is normal butyl bromide, friends, and sodium metal is here. We have to take 2 sodium atoms, and this will be taken 2, and this 2 sodium and 2 bromine will remove as 2 NaBr, friends. and here this 4 carbons 2 times. So total, this is 1 carbon, then CH2 6 times, and CH3. So this is octane, or it is also known as normal octane we will obtain. How normal octane? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are here, and another 4 carbons, because this is 2 times, will be there in chain, and this chain is made up of 8 carbons total. This 8 carbons, 6, 7, and 8 is normal octane, friends. Another option, if I consider A is isobutyl bromide, then what happens, friends? CH3, CH, CH3, this is CH2, and we are reacting with, friends, the sodium metal. Once again, this sodium metal will react with bromine. Once again, this is also to be taken 2 times, and we will obtain 2 NaBr. So this molecule, friends, will be obtained in the product 2 times. CH3, this is CH, CH3, this is CH2, and similarly another CH2, CH, CH3, and this is CH3. This is, you can see, total 6 carbons in chain, 6 carbons in chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is called hexane, and on second carbon, and friends, fifth carbon, as you can see, 2 branches are there, and it is said 2, 3 dimethyl. So 2, 3 dimethyl hexane is our product. So friends, this is first option, and this is the second option, in which we are getting the C8H18 compound. But here one more clue is given, that is, this compound is formed when n-butyl bromide reacted with sodium, and that's why we can conclude, friends, that this is our product, friends. Look at here, A is reacted with sodium metal and compound B is obtained, which has the molecular formula C8H18. So this is C8H18, and this is our compound B, friends, and that's why our compound A is also selected. This one, isobutyl bromide, not it is not a normal butane, because in normal butane we obtain the product which is a long chain of carbon only, so which is not matching as per the given question. Now, friends, we also have to find out what are B and C. So to find out B and C, we once more we have to go for A react with alcoholic KOH. So now we have option A, which is very clear. This is isobutyl bromide. So when I react this isobutyl bromide with, friends, alcoholic KOH. Here the importance of alcoholic KOH, it is also part of your given data in textbook, and which is very simple, that alcoholic KOH, when is taking part in the reaction, friends, it is forming the compound alkyl, because alcoholic KOH, when is present, it will not go for the double displacement reaction. Instead of it, it will remove the bromine from the carbon alpha and its neighbor carbon. This is neighbor carbon. So from here, friends, hydrogen will be removed. So hydrogen and bromine HBr will be removed, and between these 2 carbon there will be a double bond. So this is first carbon CH3, second carbon, and this is double bond and CH2, friends. This is 3 carbon chain in which double bond is present. So it is prop 1 in. This is number 1 carbon. This is carbon number 2. So it's 2 methyl prop 1 in. That is, friends, our compound B. So this is our compound B. Now, friends, last is to find out compound C. So B is reacted with HBr to give C. B is this one, right, friends? And B is reacted with the compound hydrogen bromide HBr, right? And what will obtain? We will obtain, friends, C. Now, how C will be obtained? So HBr is added. It's a simple rule of Markovnikov rule, right, friends? So this is Markovnikov rule applied here. And as per Markovnikov rule, what happened, friends? In the alkene reactants, the hydrogen will go with the carbon having more number of hydrogens. You can see this is first carbon, second carbon, and third carbon. There is a single bond between first and second carbon. You can see on first carbon, two hydrogens are there. On second carbon, there isn't any hydrogen. So friends, this hydrogen will be attracted towards the first carbon, and this bromine will attracted or will join with the second carbon. This is once again I tell you the reaction Markovnikov rule also given in textbook. So what the product will be obtained? It's Cl3. This is Br. CH3 double bond will be removed and the single bond will be there. This double bond electrons will move this to the bromine and we will obtain the product in which there are total 3 carbon chain. Once again, it's now single bond. So it's propane, 2 bromo and 2 methyl, number 1, number 2 and 3. So 2 bromo is to be written first as per alphabetic order and 2 methyl propane. This is our product C, friends. So now it is clear compound A is isobutyl bromide. Compound B, friend, is 2-methyl prop 1A, and friend C is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, and the last one compound D, friend, is 2,3-dimethyl hexane. Friends, this type of questions can be asked in JEE, NEET, and all board exams. But in this type of questions, the direct questions are not given, direct name of reactions are not given. So keep in mind, you have to identify this alcoholic KOH or this Markovnikov rule HBr is added. How Markovnikov rule can be identified? Hydrogen halide is to be added into a haloalkane. Haloalkane plus hydrogen halide, that is a Markovnikov rule. Similarly, friends, this alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH. This is the display removal reaction. In this removal reaction, it is to be said beta elimination reaction. Halogen containing carbon is to be said alpha carbon, and its neighbor carbon is to be said beta carbon. From alpha carbon, one halogen is to be removed. From beta carbon, hydrogen is to be removed. You can see that is done here. And between alpha and beta carbon, one double bond will be formed. So this is all about all flour products. This question contains 4 marks, friends, and very important question. Okay, thank you.